Today we are discussing a topic on digital image processing. DIP stands for digital image processing. So let's start with the definition. A method to perform some operations on an image in order to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. For example, photo restoration, color photo enhancement, restoration of image from Hubble telescope, medical image, for example, MRI, slices for niche image, edge extraction, image partitioning, face tracking, and last one is fingerprint recognition. Thank you for watching this video.